Presiden barang ba ke VPP uba arden besai moj nen ke sengi ulakan tu ya ke Paidbah baki dei ban yami renti bat ajing Kyrshan ya ke Jingdawa jong ke seng ban Khmih Bniah ya ke Reservation polisi bat ya ke ni kerai la shim hadien ke jing KHASI kelan mengor. Habakren sekilat patai kubor uba besai moj ula ang ba ke sorkar ke dei ban Khmih Bniah ya ke Reservation polisi namar kamlong ke biang nang bantai ke Paidbah KHASI ke bakambon ha ke jing bun breu bat kila yop ha tang 10%. Habakli halor ke Jingdawa ban pensangnya ya baru ke jing tungkam ha ke tenak Trekam sorkar ulah ang baka sorkar kadai ban penjelan ya kerta jong ki kun samla ki bathap na banta ki kam bapher kumban sukudau hang ne ka Voice of the People Party VPP henen ka singi kala penong ka jingi ki syong kelan mengor ha ka jaga penyeng kali hajan additional secretariat Shillong bandawa pensangnya swaya baru jing tungkam kat bempat Khmih Bniah ya ke Reservation polisi.
To review the present reception policy, because that is our stand, that is our demand, because the problem that the youth of the unemployed youth of the state are facing is because of the reservation policy, originates from the reservation policy. Well, I think as I've spelled out the ratio of proportion between the KHASIs and the Garos since 1971. The statistics indicated that the KHASI's community is always higher than the Garo community by 15% average, I may say. So therefore we feel that this policy, the job reservation policy, is not proportionate.